From the freezer to your plate, this air fryer salmon is a breeze to make. Hey, I'm Laura, and on my channel, I share lots of easy recipes like this one. So if you're just learning how to cook or love that type of thing, hit that red subscribe button so you and I can cook together a few times a week. Since it's just us today, I'm cooking 2 pieces of salmon. As you can see, they're still frozen. First thing I'm gonna do is preheat my air fryer for 390 for about 5 minutes. Preheating the air fryer is key in order for your salmon to thaw and cook at the same time. And meanwhile, I'm going to remove this salmon from the packaging. Now we want our salmon to taste delicious. So in this small dish, I'm going to combine some olive oil and some seasonings. Now this right here has paprika, oregano, garlic powder, onion powder, and salt. It's all mixed in there. You can grab the recipe to that salmon seasoning below this video. Now that my air fryer is preheated, I'm gonna place it in my air fryer basket, skin side down. If your salmon is skinless, the flat side goes at the bottom. All right, so now we're gonna cook the salmon at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 7 minutes. Oh, and I'm also going to share with you my hack to making this salmon taste fresh. Check it out, it's been 7 minutes, and now I am going to take that seasoning that we made in our little dish, and you can use a spoon and put it on the top. You do want to spread it all over your salmon, so all your salmon is seasoned well. You can also use a brush to spread that on your salmon. Now we're gonna close it and cook it for another 7 minutes. Some pieces of salmon are thicker than others, so the sure way to know that your salmon is done is to use a meat thermometer, and it reads 145 when inserted at the thickest part. This salmon looks amazing. Let's remove it from the air fryer onto a plate. And my hack to make frozen salmon taste just like fresh when cooked in the air fryer is to take some lemon and squeeze it right over the top. This gives it some citrus freshness. By the way, if you love this kind of hacks that makes your frozen food taste just like fresh, give this video a thumbs up so I know to always add them in my videos for you. It's perfectly cooked, and you'd never know when straight in frozen. Grab the ingredient measurements to this recipe right below, and if this type of air fryer videos are your jam, check out this next video. See you next time.